Hello everyone, welcome to Chemazon-Complete Chemistry. So in today's video, we are going to solve a problem, unknown structure determination problem based on rule of 13, which is from mass spectrometry. Okay, the question given is there are two different cycloalkanes that show a M plus or molecular ion peak at 98. Okay, first one of the compound shows a base peak at 83 and another shows a base peak at 69. What we have to do is we have to identify both the cycloalkanes A and B. Okay, what is the meaning of a cycloalkane? Cycloalkane means it is some cyclic structure. Okay, and then there will be some substituent. So what information is given to us is M plus, that is nothing but the molecular ion peak is given to us. Okay, that is seen at 98. So for determining the unknown structure, we must know the total number of carbons and hydrogens that are present. Also, another hint is given that it is a cycloalkane. Okay, means it is having only carbons and hydrogens. So first what we can do is we can use the rule of 13 to find out the molecular formula. Okay, what does the rule of 13 says? Take the molecular ion peak and divide it by 13. Okay, 13 sevens are 91. 7. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder. What is the number of carbons? The number of carbons is equal to the quotient. So that is going to be 7. What is the number of hydrogen? It is quotient plus remainder. So that is 7 plus 7, which is equal to 14. So we have got the molecular formula. Okay, the molecular formula is C7H14. Okay, now another thing what I can do is I can calculate the double bond equivalent, or we can say degree of unsaturation. Okay, that also we had seen. How do you calculate that? Using a formula, that is C plus 1 minus of H plus X minus N divided by 2. Okay, C is the number of carbons, H is hydrogen, X is halogen, N is nitrogen. Halogen is fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. So here how many carbons are present? 7 plus 1 minus how many hydrogens are present? 14. Halogen 0, nitrogen 0, so 14 divided by 2. So this will 7 plus 1 8, 8 minus 14 divided by 2 is 7. So 8 minus 7 is 1. So it is given it is a cycloalkane, so there is only one ring that will be present in both the compounds. Okay, so now the question is, how do you identify the compounds? Let us write down for compound A what is given to us. For A, the base peak is given. Okay, that is the most, that corresponds to the most stable fragment. That is given, that is how much? 83. And for compound B, base peak is given, that is at 69. So what we can do here is, okay, so what we can do here is M plus ion peak, it is given, it is 98. From this we get two base peaks. One is at 83 and another is at 69. So what we have to do is, always remember, you find out the, you subtract both the masses, that is of the base peak. Okay, these two are for the base peak and the molecular ion peak, so you can come to know which fragment is broken. Okay, so 83 minus 98 minus 83, that is 15. Okay, and we know 15 is a fragment corresponding to carbon is 12 and 3 hydrogen, that is methyl. Similarly 69, 98 minus 69, that will be how much? That will be 29. Okay, and 29 we know it corresponds to a ethyl group. Okay, so total we know it is C7H14. Okay, one carbon comes from the methyl, so remaining are how many carbons? The compound A is going to be, okay, one will be methyl and then there are 6 carbons, okay, and that will be a ring. So compound A will be this, okay, methyl cyclohexane. Okay, to confirm we can do a fragmentation. Suppose this is a molecular ion peak, you break this bond, what you will get? You will get this cation plus a methyl radical. Okay, so for this you will get the base peak. Okay, at m by z is equal to, total there are how many carbons? 6, 12, 6 are 72, plus there are how many hydrogens? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 carbons. So 11, 72 plus 11 is 83. So that is how you get the base peak of 83. Okay, similarly compound B, we know now there is a ethyl group. So 2 carbons are involved in the ethyl group, remaining how many carbons? 5. So it will be a 5-membered ring and a ethyl group. So ethyl cyclopentane. Okay, here also to confirm what we can do fragmentation. I break this. Okay, this was m by z is equal to 98. Now you remove m minus 29. You, what we will get is this. Okay, positive charge here. What will be the m by z? How many carbons? 5. 12 5s are 60. Plus how many hydrogens? 2, 4, 6, 8, and here also there is one hydrogen. Okay, so how many hydrogens? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9. 60 plus 9, that is 69. So in this way we can confirm, okay, using the rule of 13. What we did, first we calculated the molecular formula, then to find out the we found out the degree of unsaturation to find out whether any ring or double bond is present. So only it is a cycloalkane, so we know it is a ring, a single ring is present. Then you find out the difference in the mass of the base peak and the molecular ion peak to find out which fragment is missing. Okay, so what are the correct answers? The correct answer is compound A is what? Compound A is methyl cyclohexane, and what is compound B? Compound B is ethyl cyclopentane. Okay, I hope you have understood how do you apply this rule of 13 to determine the unknown structure. Also we use the formula for degree of unsaturation. I hope you have understood this problem. Thank you.